All right, y'all, welcome back. we are doing pretty good. So I was looking at the daily, and I was trying to pick up at the nearest pivot point. I knew Bitcoin wasn't done going up, and I wanted to bet that it was going to pivot somewhere around here yesterday. And this little kind of interesting long tail candle said to me there's an entry point. There's a 50% chance of an entry point. So the next day I looked into the 27th on the 1 hour, the 5 minute, the 3 hour, and I couldn't find an entry until I saw the 5 minute. It was pretty good. So I came in last night around dinner time and I entered around here when I saw this no, I'm lying actually. I entered here when I saw this jump happen, and I entered around 5:23, I think. So it was going down, I was getting nervous, and then it just picks up like crazy. Passes the Genesis line with force, this is a great candle because doesn't have momentum to go back down again. And so it just keeps going up and up and up, and I reinvest when it's around 21,900. So when this candle closed, pretty much, I re-entered, and I got half my savings into this average, which was around the Genesis average value, which was 21,700. So then it keeps going up. I'm starting to think I should start selling soon. Until last night, it just kind of exploded. And looking at the 5 minute, it doesn't look like I thought it was gonna. Comparing this point here, the last high, I thought it was not gonna make it. It goes down and it shoots back up, passes it, so I knew there was more time. And then it started going down, resets itself, comes back up again until a new high at 86.77. Again, a new high, which is really good. So this is, and a good entry, a good exit for me would be any value after this value, so around 23,438. 23,456. You can see the high. So I'm just gonna put up an alert when it passes that. I'll know. I'll start looking at this new average here and comparing the value with the RSI. On the 5 minute, it's not that strong to be relying on these kind of indicators on the 5 minute. It could always just shoot back down. I like to look at the 1 hour. So we're at a value of, actually here, it would be 85.95. This doesn't count because it didn't go outside the Bollinger Band. It's still, see, the red line is 23,493. The high is 23,456. So it's just under the Bollinger Band. It didn't quite make it, so it doesn't count. So this is my 85.95 on the 1 hour. It has to go outside the Bollinger Band past this point at 23,191. So the MACD is still positive here. Looking at other charts, the RSI hits rock bottom at the 1 hour. Not complete rock bottom, it's 1.11. And the divergence is, there's not a strong momentum. When these kind of go parallel to each other, especially when it closes like that. It tells me that there's not really much of a negative momentum to shoot cross divergences. Look, it's pretty strong. I can see from, there isn't really much negative momentum here as far as price action. It's pretty low. Yeah, it's just like, 1.67%. It's not that much compared to that. That's double. So so there it is. I'm gonna hold going for long. I don't see any kind of downtrend happening anytime soon. It would be great if it bounced again off of this support line here, off the either the upward fib or the down fib, the lower fib, so 22,845 or 22,700. I'm looking for some sort of support line within the moving average line on the 3 hour. So anything on here, or even the 6 hour, which is just down here. So it's an interesting game because I never thought I'd get this high on any kind of return. So if I close this out, I'm averaging about 100% return in less than a month. And that's not even my goal. My goal is 10% a week, so 40% a month. So I'm more than doubling my goal, which is great. I'm humbled the fact that I've already come this far. I don't want to, I'm grateful if I lose the opportunity and close out only $10. I'm still grateful for the fact I'm meeting my goal, and that's what matters. It's not on anything beyond it is just a bonus. So I'll just put in an alert line. If it falls below the support line, I'll put an alert and I'll close out pretty soon. And that'll give me around 15% return. Sorry, $15 return, which is still 20%. I'm looking to take this cash. This cash has been earned by recycling rubbish, trash all over the beach, roads, all along the pristine coastline of Australia, and I'm turning this cash into an investment opportunity to get a property. So if you want to subscribe and keep following me, that'd be great. Leave any comments below if you have any questions. I'll see you later. I'm gonna keep this running for about 10 minutes. All right, I'll keep this running for a bit. I'm actually keen to see what made it bounce off the weekly fib. Let's go back to the, let's see here. Let's go back to the weekly Fibonacci. So it actually crossed the Genesis support and hit the Dow support, but it closed well above it, which is interesting. I thought it was going to hit it, but it didn't. Yeah. All right. That's still great. That is still great. All right, y'all have a good one.